Okay, Clint. Today we're going to take a quick look at your little 4-pill. And I mean, this thing is teeny tiny. It's in like a Palomar 400 case. Of course, it's a no-name, so I mean they didn't print Palomar on it. Anyhow, a bench amp, because we're going to do a little experiment after I demonstrate what this thing can do. Okay, Clint, you're all up and running. Went ahead and upgraded your auto sideband circuit, so it'll stay locked up. And today we're going to work in Class B instead of the normal wonderful Class C, where I think the world goes round. And anyhow, sidebanders. Ew. Okay, so we got our 100-watt slug, as always, in the forward, and a 5-watt slug in reverse. So we're going to go over here and we're going to kick this little puppy on, which it is, let's see, on. We're going to start out in low, and well, let's shut this off. Then we're going to look at the slug or the meter on the left, and I'm dead key in 1 watt. So this is with a 1 watt dead key, Clint. Turn the Palomar back on. This is in 1X and PEP. Full deflection's 100 watts. With a 1 watt dead key. Hello, audio. BVI. So you're getting over 100 watts on low. We go to 2X. Go to medium. So now full deflection to the right is 200 watts. Hello. That's on medium. Go to 5X. That now reads 500. All the way over here is 500. Hello. That's on medium. We'll go to high. Hello. So again, another 75 watts. So, as always, we're running around 14 volts. So you're seeing 350 out of it or so. Not a big deal, right? You guys might remember this little beauty from a couple videos ago. This is my committed 2-pill variable bass amp for my workbench. Okay. We've got it set up to dead key 1 watt and swing to 100. My buddy Clint's got a little high drive radio he wants to put into this. I want to demonstrate something to him. This isn't your standard amplifier, and I'll show you what I mean. Hello. Well, what do you mean it's not your standard amplifier, BBI? It's been modified. Class B was 75 to 100 watts worth of drive. Hello. Back to 1X. 100 watt slug out. 1000 watt slug in. PEP. Hello. BBI. Got down. Audio. That's 600 watts, brother. I do believe that's exactly where you wanted to be.